Hey guys, I hope you're all having a lovely day today. Today's video is going to be my Glossybox unboxing for the month of January right here. So if you guys want to see what I got in my little box this month, just keep on watching. Okay guys, so Glossybox did send this box to me free for a review, but you guys know my opinions are always my own, and Glossybox is a beauty subscription service. You get beauty products delivered to your door every month at a fraction of the cost. Okay, so this box here, this very pretty pink box, costs $21 a month, but if you use code NORRISBELL at checkout or the link in the description below, you get your first box for only $16. So if you guys want to try it out, go ahead and use that link or just use my name NORRISBELL at checkout. But anyway, this little box, I really love this box. I've been using a lot of these boxes for like storing my makeup because I have a lot of makeup and I need to go ahead and organize it. So I've been keeping like the makeup that I'm going to use for the day or for whatever in one of these boxes because it's very nice and sturdy. And it's also really pretty, and I also love the way they package it. It's so nice and chic, and like a really nice surprise. Like when you get it, you feel so nice like opening this up. I love their packaging. I'm a sucker for packaging. So you unwrap this and surprise. Okay, I actually don't know what's in this month's box, but let's take a look. Last month's box I really loved, and I like astrology space theme box. I've been using that for my makeup too. I love that. I love that. It was a really nice touch. So they usually have a little magazine with their boxes, and it looks like I didn't get it, which is kind of a bummer, but it's fine. I'm still going to show you guys the products and talk about them, but I really love that magazine because it explains each product that you receive. It tells you the price and what it does and what it's for, but it's not in the box, which kind of sucks. But I'm still going to explain and show you guys everything that I get. And so far it looks really nice. The first product here is the After Spa Black Marble Facial Roller. I have gotten a facial roller before through Ipsy. I feel like I got like 3 through Ipsy. I'm not the biggest fan of facial rollers just because I never find the time for it. But I know people swear by it, and maybe that's a sign that I need to get over it and just try it. It does look really cool. Maybe I'll give it away to someone who actually needs it, like a family member who will enjoy it. There you go. I just never take the time for it, but I feel like I need to because people really swear by these. The next product here is Julep Love Your Bare Face Brightening Cleansing Cloths. Gently removes makeup and cleanses skin. Okay, that's cool. I know I've seen Julep before in BoxyCharm. I think Ipsy too. I feel like everybody uses makeup wipes. I try not to always use makeup wipes. I try to use like cleansing cloths that I rewash, like not use so many wipes, but you need them, you know what I mean? So I'll keep that like in my bathroom whenever I take off my makeup at night. But anyway, I'll keep it like in my bathroom or maybe in my travel bag. Like when I went on vacation last month, I did need them because I didn't always have time to be like washing my face. So it's something nice to have, and I'll keep it sealed until I decide to use it. The next product here is a moisturizing foot mask by the brand Le Mini Macaron with lavender oil. Oh, I actually really like this. Overall, I never get excited about face masks, but I have the driest feet in the world. You guys maybe know if you've watched me before. I have eczema, so I have dry skin everywhere, but like winter makes it like times 1,000, and my feet are very dry. And I do use like some foot mask. I buy some from Target, and I'll put them on, and it does really help. Like I'll sit down and have some coffee and just let my feet relax for a while, and they really moisturize my feet. So these, I'm excited to try them out. So again, it has lavender oil in it, and let's read. It says, enjoy a little self-care at home with this moisturizing foot mask, lavender scented and enriched with different leaf extracts. Your tired, dry feet will feel relaxed, refreshed, and deeply hydrated. So it says to leave it on for 15 minutes. I'm gonna give this a go like maybe today or tomorrow. I'm all for subscription boxes giving me foot masks. Like I feel like face masks, I just have so many that it's too much for me. Maybe BoxyCharm and like Ipsy needs to start including these kinds of products because my feet need the love a lot more than my face does. But that's cool. I'm actually so excited for that. Okay, next I see here, this is Daydreamer, your dream cleanser come true from Bloom, it says. So it looks like it's a cleanser. It says here, made with all natural ingredients like chamomile, geranium, lavender, and giant seed kelp. This gentle cleanser will leave you feeling heavenly. calming, hydrating, and non-stripping. Okay, so that's what it looks like. These kinds of travel size products I really love, so I always keep them. I don't use them usually. I keep them until I go ahead and travel, so that I can have, so I don't have to take like my big products, you know, like my big bottles. So I'm gonna keep that and try it out whenever, I don't know, because I do have a lot of like little cleansers, but they're nice to have, and also they're really nice for gifts, like if you want to add extra things into a gift that you're giving someone. Next here is a Philip Kingsley Bond Builder Split and Remedy. Wow, sounds like exactly what I need for my hair. Wow, okay, so let's see. So it's, okay, it doesn't even explain how to use it, I don't think, but it does say that it's a split end remedy. That sounds really cool. My hair, I have a lot of split ends, so I'll give that a go. Let me see what it smells like. Usually like hair products smell really, really good. It does smell good. It smells really, really lovely. I don't know how to describe the scent, but it smells really good, and like something that I will love my hair to smell like. So I'm gonna give that a try too, and I also love the size. I really do. Okay, the next product here is the Codex Beauty Labs Onto Brightening Serum. I wish I had the little magazine to it. Like they always describe everything and like explain it so well. Says apply as needed with a gentle massage. Okay, so I feel like I don't know what I read. Brightening serum for wear. So it's for daily use on all skin types. Okay. And it has M3 hibiscus and cherimoya. Okay. So I think, I don't know, something to brighten. All right. I have one last item here. And this is the, what is this? It says Innovation Invisibobble, the Traceless Bun Tool. What? Bun Star, no metal. Oh my God, it's for your bun. Secures bun, quick and easy to use, invisible in the hair, light feel, high wearing comfort, traceless, hair loving. Wow. At first I thought it was like some kind of headphone, but like that wouldn't make any sense. But something to secure your bun. I do struggle with keeping my bun in place sometimes, but I've never tried anything like this. So this is what it looks like. Oh, so it's like two little clips. I'm not gonna do it now because I have curls. I just want to see how it feels. And is it bendy? Not really. So it looks like just two little clips, honestly, that maybe just like clip into your bun. I'm gonna give it a try. Why not? I don't mind trying new things. And for my hair is always all over the place, and when I'm like all day long, I try to keep it up when I'm cooking and cleaning and stuff. So I'll give that a try. That's a really different kind of product to receive in a box, and I love it. I love getting things that are different and unexpected, so I'm excited to give that a try. Really cool. Okay, so overall I got these two little bun holders, like little clips, makeup removing wipes from the brand Julep, facial roller, a brightening serum and a cleanser, and oh, two more things. Split end remedy and a foot mask. So I feel like I got a really nice mix of products, and I'm so excited to try them out. I get a lot of makeup in my boxes, so overall I prefer makeup, but I feel like the products that I got I'm happy with. I got two hair products, which I love getting hair products in my boxes. The foot mask really surprised me, but I'm going to try that out maybe today or tomorrow, and I liked it. I really was really happy with everything in here. I feel like it goes with the whole vibe of January, like, you know, refresh, renew, starting over. Relaxation. It's really cold here and we don't go out a lot, so a lot of these things I feel like are for being at home, having like a relaxing spa day. So maybe I can try to do something like that. But I'm very happy with my box this month, and I'm excited for next month. But that's gonna be the end of today's video. I hope that you guys enjoyed it. Let me know in the comments, are you guys subscribed to Glossybox? How did you feel about them this month? And yeah, I hope that you enjoy the rest of your day, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye guys.